Have you ever panicked over a corrupted disk, fearing being unable to access your files on it forever? You're not alone. Today, we're exploring whether CHKDSK command, the built-in Windows utility, can recover the corrupted drive from disaster. You'll learn how CHKDSK works, what results you can expect, and an alternative option if things don't go as planned. Let's get started. So, what exactly is CHKDSK? It's a built-in command line utility in Windows that checks the integrity of your file system and fixes any logical errors on your disk. Think of it as a health checkup for your hard drive. It finds out if any problems are lurking beneath the surface. You can use CHKDSK for routine maintenance. For example, you might want to run a CHKDSK after power outages or before major upgrades to make sure your disk is still working as usual. Also, when there are errors like access is denied, CHKDSK might be able to help you fix such errors and recover access to your data. So, how does CHKDSK work? First, let's run command prompt as administrator, then type CHKDSK. Next, type the drive letter you wish to repair and add a colon. What comes next is the key. If you then type /+f, it will fix the error detected on the drive. Enter a /+r, and it will help you locate the bad sectors and restore readable information. Type a /+x, and it will force the drive to be unmounted before checking it. Back to the question, will CHKDSK recover my corrupted disk? Well, it's hard to say. It depends on the circumstances of the disk corruption, whether the user is still using the disk after the problem, the type of data, the type of error, and so on. In some cases, it may not be able to help recover the disk and data, especially if the damage is severe or the files are located in unrecoverable bad sectors. There are even cases where CHKDSK, in order to repair the disk, deletes the data that is causing the problem. So, is there any alternative if CHKDSK doesn't work? The answer is yes. You can head over to this site to download and install EaseUS Partition Master. It offers free features to help you detect and fix disk errors in one click. First, open the tool, right-click on the partition of the corrupt disk, and select Check File System. Make sure that this option is checked and then click Start. It will then automatically scan for file system errors and repair them. Also, if you want to know if there are bad sectors on the disk, go to Toolkit and select Bad Sector Scan. You can choose to scan a specific partition or the whole disk. Click Start and it will show you the disk condition in a simple pattern. Green means healthy, while red means bad sectors. Now, you understand what CHKDSK can do and its limitations. When that command fails to save your disk, try some third-party software, and you may be surprised. That'd be all. Don't forget to like the video and follow my channel. See you next time!